Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and this video is just me trying to do a storage place under the Ikea stool for my garbage can. You're gonna need a trifold, and then I just cut a square that was, I believe, 30 by 30, and then right here I'm just going to trace it and then cut it out. So for this step, I advise using an X-Acto knife on a hard surface and then just run it through with the X-Acto knife first, and then when you're ready to cut, use the scissor just so it could be cleaner. So right here, I'm just lining the legs up with the cardboard and then I will trace it. Also, I would use a pencil just so you could erase it and leave no marks. I'm just cutting the holes out with the scissors, and I would recommend using a much better tool that would cut much more precisely and cleanly and more to the size of the actual stool leg. Now I was just going to put it in on each leg and then just fit it until the right length or space is left for the garbage can to fit in. So this is the final product. Also, disclaimer, this is only useful if you don't put a lot of heavy stuff in your garbage cans. I only put in paper, so it should hold up. And also I ended up stepping on it, which caused it to bend, and I had to redo it all over again. Also, I ended up just adding a board again and redoing the whole thing again. Hopefully it's much sturdier, which I think it will, and I ended up doing it much cleaner and also the holes right to size. Thanks for watching till the end. Hopefully you get an idea. Maybe you'll try it out. Also, at your own risk. A week later it did end up breaking and it just completely fell apart, so it was a fail in the end, so at your own risk. But thanks for watching. I tried to recreate it. Why is it so hard to film it?